Roof turbine vents. Benefits and drawbacks. For many homeowners, ensuring proper ventilation for their homes is a top priority. Among the myriad of ventilation options available, we have roof turbine vents, often known as whirlybirds. Whirlybirds have been a popular choice for decades. These spinning devices, prominently perched on rooftops, harness the power of the wind to expel hot, stale air from the attic. This helps create a balanced and efficient ventilation system. They help maintain the structural integrity of the roof and create a comfortable indoor environment. This helps the home stay cooler, with less energy. It also helps keep humidity levels in check, preventing mold growth. Budget-level roof turbines can last 5 to 10 years. A high-quality roof turbine can last 15 to 25 years. Professional installation is a must to prevent leaks and ensure proper ventilation. Now you know the basics of turbine roof vents. If you want to learn more, there's a link in the pinned comment with a comprehensive guide. Like and subscribe to learn more about your home and how to maintain it properly.